Gila, gila.
Larga bola. Boston Arctics versus Team Mamba. Mamba, first three. Auto three. Mamba.
Jeng! Jeng! Jeng!
East Titan still stolen by Man. Aray ko.
Jeng! Jeng!
Dribble.
Di! Uba!
Sanchez. Bola. Corner John to Marvin. Pinwes pass by Loses nakuha. Gitira. Bumaus. Wala. Marvin lost the ball. White t-shirt. Dribbling inside. Dawas to Man for the jumper. No. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's 5-0. 3 minutes 45 seconds. First half, the first quarter. Marvin. Free throw line. Corners. Joe for three. Wala. Short. Rebounded. Team Mamba. White t-shirt to the ball. Man. Top of the line. Full. Jumper again. Short this time. Rebounded. Ball goes there. 2 points. 7-0. Sa pagsubok sa first quarter. Sanchez will drive. Oops! Short. Nangayong foul pero wala yung sa left. What a fake. Drive. Inside. Up. Out. Bola ref. Bola sa Mamba.
O tayo guba man. Harus.
Paglasingan, ano naman na, di ba?
Dili.
Bulldozer.
Dili na ni pagla.
Loses with the rebound. Sanchez. Up in turnover. Sanchez withdraws the ball. Sanchez to Marvin.
Harus gitu rin.
Marvin to Loses for the three. Bang! First scores Boston Arctics.
Para di ay. Para di ay.
Yan sa.
Ay, puta. Tang.
White t-shirt with a hesitate.
Sinilas.
Man, jumper, same spot, different result. Marvin to Sanchez. What? Sanchez, wala.
Yatay na. Tuyok na.
Rebounded, Mamba. It's a 3 versus 3. He will take the 3. Wala. Barloses, rebounded. Marvin. Isugat, John on the other side. To Sanchez. That's a 2. Buhang Labao, 5-7-5, 1 minute 40 seconds.
Okay na.
Drive inside, no foul, wala, good tanan. Nakitaan.
Sunod mo, sunod mo. Sunod mo, sunod.
Bastos na yung Sanchez ha, buwatan ko.
Ito kayo.
Anak ka ng kauban ba? Ay, di ba na mga ilang kauban?
Last. Mana ni chat na ko jing. Saan sa tuwang na mo ya?
Baba, nakita.
Oh, kana mo na.
In the corner. Cross pass. Oh,
Grabe.
wala yung passport. Nabili. $50 seconds remaining. Buhang Labao sa Team Mamba. John, corner 3, no. Man with the rebound. It's a 2-on-2. Mamba. seconds. Upat ng labaw. Sanchez. Will they score or Mauni ang atuang final score sa first half? The first quarter, Sanchez, strong inside, wala, rebounded, libre for Team Mamba. Once, wala, but that's another rebound with the foul. 5 seconds, we shoot one throw. Team Mamba. And that is it. One free throw left. First personal foul for number 11. Cuarta sa lata. Uno bang labaw sa tuang Mamba? Labaw pito. Mamba. Inside, Beast Titan. Double beam. Pasa ups. Careless pass. Easy two for Boston Arctics. Team Mamba. Nangitag kamasahan. Malazarte. Corner. Mutira. Wala. Pick. Beast Titan inside. Wala. Short. Rebounded by Sanchez. Sanchez, coast to coast, will not score. Rebounded by Mamba. Point guard naman to drive. Gibilin, almost a turnover. Malazarte. Strong move, jumper, wala. Rebounded, will stay, rebound. That top, play score. Ay, what happened? First personal foul, 17.
No. Sama na, Jobs. Ay!
A 1 out of 2 for the Colossal Titan. Colossal. Westbrook Amparado driving. Oh, hesitation. Double dribble. Pwede na to, tuwa na kita. Corner for 3. Oops, short. Natapik, nakuha. Secure ba? Wala. Nagdali si Westbrook. Sofia on the corner. Sofia. Jeremy the Beard. Wala. That was Sofia. No. Ball will stay with the Beast Titan. Will shoot the 3. Yes, sir. Tulong labaw, 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Remaining sa first quarter. Malazarte, jumper. No good. Sanchez. Tusubla will successfully score. Layup is 2. Kusa na lang ang labaw. Ikan sa 7. Colossal Titan. Labo. Oops, no. There is a foul. Third personal Rebounded, Mamba. Back to Labco. Labco. Ah! Will score. That's a 2. Amparado with the ball. Beast Titan. To Sublad. The field sa corner. Mura Gilea. Ano mang nalibre man. 15 all. 1 minute 15 seconds. Mamba. Labco. Labco nakita. Corner. Back to the point guard, the 21, Malazarte, 3-point line, wala. Amparado with the rebound. Amparado to the field, another 3, Agarray, that's 2 in a row. Laban nagtulo, 45 seconds. Anong hawan mag-inagot? Another turnover. Beast Titan, Sanchez, Gadale, will lay up. No good, Malazarte, 30 seconds. Labco, 1, no foul. Labco again. There's the foul, there's the call. 20 seconds. First personal foul, number 7. Zero out of 1. That is it for the first quarter. Last free throw. So, 0 out of 2 for Labco. So 15-18, end of first quarter. Ayan, black versus green din yun. Andi. Second quarter. Amparado in the corner to Tonix. Tonix will drive up. Almost a steal. Double team si Tonix. Ball will stay with shot clock. Shot clock, 9 seconds. Mamba's ball, Malazarte. To number 13. Malazarte will shoot. Wala. Rebounded. Will be secured. Jumper. Oops, nasobrahan na. Parado. Oy! Ay, ay, ay. Wala. Amparado with the rebound. 3-2-3. Amparado and 1. First personal foul, number 1. will hesitate. Will issue the pin ng higher off screen. Lapo with the screen, number 13. Inside, beautiful play, pero walang traveling. Nasayang sa pasa. Timeout called, first timeout, Team Mamba. Back to the ball game, mula sa Boston Arctics. Grabe yung rivalry, Los Angeles Mamba versus, that's a 3 by Donix. Largest lead of the game, 23-18, 8 ang labaw sa Boston Arctics. Malazarte inside, nice pass, nice shot. Amparado with the ball to Subla. Back to Marrona for the jumper shot. You Miguel with the rebound. Almost a steal, double team. Pero wala. Point guard na ngayon sa Pula. Will drive. Strong to the basket. But no, there is a foul. First personal foul, number 6.